Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. Um, Let me see. Thanks for coming by and sharing some time with me. Okay. Um, what I want to do today and what I tried the other day and it didn't quite work out anyhow. I want to cover the back of this, and as you can see, some of the gesso has come off, and that's because what I did do, I ended up ripping it off. So um, I'll show you that in a minute. But I don't want to cover it with another piece of tin, um, because I'll be covering it with a fabric. But before I do that, I'm gonna have to cover it so it doesn't pick up like the fabric. If I lay it just on there, it picks up the from the what do you call it? From the it picks up the design from the embossing folder. Oh my God, sorry. Um, yeah. So that was the embossing folder from Tim Holtz, the 3D with years. Um, so I need to do something to cover it. So I think the only thing I'm going to do, I think what I'm going to do is cover it with 2 layers of the tyvek envelope. So, but what I did was, okay, 3 years ago, I tried embossing on fabric and it stayed on. Yeah, this I did 3 years ago. Anyhow, so I like how it turned out. Except a couple didn't really turn out that well, but that was an experiment that I wanted to try. Right. So this is what I'm talking about. See that? I did this and I put it on here and I didn't like how it turned out. Anyhow, I ripped it off after I glued it on. And 'cause the fabric is it's a broadcloth. I'm also going to use another broadcloth, but I didn't like it because it was too dirty looking. Because I had coffee stained that. Okay, so I have and I'm going to change. I'm going to change some of this. One of the stamps. This one here. I'll explain that in a second. Anyhow, I keep wanting to explain things in a second. Anyhow, so that's what I want to do. I want to cover this, and I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to cover it with a piece of Tyvek, double Tyvek envelope. So, so, so that's a whole envelope. I'm going to cut it. Yeah. And I also want to thank one of my subbies from the video, not the last video, 4 hour video, the video before, who left me a really nice comment. I really appreciate that. But she also left me a comment about my camera being too far away. So hopefully I fixed it now. I hope it's going to be okay. And I hope you guys can hear me because I have to speak really loud. Sometimes I forget. I get so involved in what I'm doing. Um, and I forget to speak loud. So let's see. Cut here. easier if I just draw a line. I just draw around it. Just making sure it's right at the edge. And if I have to trim it after, I will. Yeah. Oh. So we've had some pretty um, humid days here. It's humid today, but not as bad as it's been. So I've got the tower fan going on over there. I had the air conditioner on earlier just to try to cool it off a bit here. And then, anyhow, because I have to move my table in front of the air conditioner and um, I can't do that. Not only that, I have, where I plug my air conditioner in, that's where I have to plug my laptop in. So I don't like too many things, you know, in the same socket. So just cutting around. As I'm doing this, I'm thinking, oh, um, why close it? Leave it this so you can open it. And it has something in here also. So let's see. So that piece of fabric here, the image will be here. And I can open this. Oh boy. Here I go. Creating another problem. No, it's not a problem. It's just ideas, right? Like I said, I don't know about the closure. Hmm. Make it a space for you to write on. Hard to write on this. Anyway, um, no, I think I'm just going to glue this on, and as an idea for somewhere else, I guess. Maybe for another page, because I have a few more to do. So I just want to do it like this for now. So I have to glue this shut. Um, I have to glue this close. This Ivy Saki glue. That's okay. Oh, I need my garbage can closer. All right. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let's close this up. Okay, where is my, right there. Where did I put it? I had something that I'll jam down in there. Oh boy. Okay. I don't know where it went. I had it up there just so I wouldn't lose it. So guess what? Okay, so I have some needles in here. Yeah, I wish I could find that. There's a metal rod that I had. Uh, It was so good. I just jammed it right down in there and it opened it right up. Okay. Just cleaning off the needle. Okay. Is it open now? Come on. Just looking to see if I can see that metal piece somewhere. But I don't, so come on. It is here. Ah, this is it. There you go. That's good. Just need a baby wipe. Okay. Ah, there. Come on. Eh, Glue is my nemesis. Come on, come on. Probably would have been better if I used two-way tape. Come on. on. So hard to squeeze. Come on, come on. It's stubborn today. Okay, I just don't want this to be a forever video. Come on. That's it. Okay. All right. Hopefully that'll be enough. Now it's glued on here. I think I'm going to use two-way tape for this. And hopefully it'll stay on, right? Because I had trouble with two-way tape before. Ah, boy. Like two-way tape kept coming up, so I need to use glue. So, I wonder if score tape would work better. See, it's lumpy. Um, Let me think. Jeez. Like I said, I don't want this to be like forever. What would happen if oh, uh, I'm gonna need to use score tape. I shall use the mounting tape. Because I don't want it to come off, obviously, it has to stay on. Um, Maybe I'll just use glossy accents and see what happens. Hopefully it's going to stick. That's going to stay on. I need to make sure I get the edges. It's going to come out on the edge. To okay, keeps moving. Come on, there, right to the edge there. There, I think it's okay. That's to wait for it to dry. I think all the way up to the top here. It's okay. Anyhow, I hope it works. Okay, I don't know if it's sticking. I need to put a weight on it. That's not heavy enough. Okay, this is. All right. Okay, now I have to move it out of the way. This is heavy enough. Hopefully it'll stick. Put it over here. All right. Boy. Sometimes working with medium like tin is not it's not as easy as it looks because you have to find ways of sticking things down. I'm just cleaning my surface a little bit. Okay. All right. Now, what I did um, was where are they? What I did yesterday is because yesterday or the day before, not I don't remember. But anyhow, I tried stamping on this different fabric. I mean, it's not a different fabric. This is also broadcloth, but it's brighter. Doesn't have any coffee stains or anything, and that's the original color of it. So what I did was this is steel, and this one is copper. Now I'm not sure which one what color I want to use, but I also want to try to see what it would look like with no, with Uncharted Mariner. I just want to see which color is the best for me that I want to choose. So that's what I'm going to do now. Just put that over there. Okay, here's a piece I need. There, I need this so fabric doesn't move too much. That's what I'm trying to stamp. Okay. Oh, so what are you guys working on? I would really love to know if you could leave me a comment. And I would love to know what you think of this paperless journal idea. It would be so good to hear from you guys. Let's see. Trying to center as best I can. That's okay, I think. Just give it a chance to adhere to the fabric. And my wrist still bothers me sometimes. I don't know. Never heard from anybody about physio, so I guess it's a waste of time for me to even think it's going to happen. Okay, so I see the images on there. Just going to clean this. Okay, go over there. Just need everything out of the way that needs to be get out of the way. So put this here. I need the heat gun. Just, but do you think you've got everything that you need? Plug it in. Right. Brush here. Okay. Yeah, this is Uncharted Mariner. Um, it's a distress embossing powder by Ranger. Oh, hope this is going to work. Let's see. Embossing powder gets everywhere. I don't know. It's like I forgot one of those fluffy things to get that one of those out. You know, one of those fluffy dusters that'll pick up the embossing powder that's like on the table or whatever work area. Okay. Hopefully I got the whole thing. Guess we'll see in a second. Let's see. Just want to make sure. Okay. Hope it came out good. Yep. Just trying to shake off as much of the excess as I can before I use the brush. Shake, 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 shake. I- Just trying to clean up as much as I can around the image that's still on the fabric. I think that's all right. I hope so. Just sliding that over here, I can feel embossing powder on my table. And okay, just want to clean up a little bit. drying the table, my glass top. Okay, I don't feel anything. That's good. All right. Let's melt this. Back here. Yeah, that's what I think so. Uh, see, I touched it. See, and try not to do that again. Oh boy. Of course I did it again. Okay. I just got to be a little bit more careful what I'm doing here. Seems to be okay now. The baby wipe. You go over there. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. My heat gun's on the floor. I guess you heard it falling. Okay, that's it. Yeah. I need to clean this again. You can feel, I guess, from blowing off the excess while I was heating it up. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now, which one do I like the best? What color? The Mariner and the Steel don't look too much different as far as color goes. That's the Bronze. Yeah, the two of them don't look much different. I didn't use this yet. I hadn't used that Mariner before. Should I try the turquoise? No, I think it's enough. Um, so what color? I'm leaning towards the Bronze. There's not much difference. Well, okay. Think maybe the Bronze. All right. So I'm going to use Pisces, Sagittarius. Uh, so I want to get, there's 4 elements. So I want to use one of each because all 12 of these will not fit on here. So this is Virgo, and I think I'm going to use Libra. Um, okay. So Pisces is water. Sagittarius is fire. Just want to make sure I have enough room. Libra is air, and Virgo is earth. Where is it? Oh, it's looking for something. Hang on. Absolutely got too much stuff here. Okay, I know what I'm looking for. Put that there. Okay. I just want to make sure. Let's see if this is stuck on now. That seems to be on there. Okay. Might need to put some more. Just here. What I'll do is I'll just use the leaves and see what happens. That stays down. And just here, this corner. Otherwise, so far, I think. Okay. Seems to be okay. Number 5 came off. Number 5 came off. So I'm just going to try it with this for now. Yeah, because I cut those from that tin. It's not going to stay. Oh boy. Okay. Actually, you know what? What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Aleen's fast graph. Let's see what happens. Where are they? Here. Toothpick. Stay down, please. Okay. Let's try to remove some of the excess glue. That's staying down. Come on. Try that. Clamp it down. Okay. Just give it a minute or two because I want to. I think it'll be okay. I think they're going to be okay. Now, what I wanted to do was the birthstones, the colors. I don't have all the colors for the birthstones in like an ink pad, so it's too bad because that's what I would have done. But I have to do it in an archival ink black, and I'm going to do some other stamping around here with script here and there. So I wanted to put these on first. So I'm just going to set this over here. And I'm going to snap. Okay. I just want to make sure that it's not too close to the edges. That's why I needed to measure it. I'll just use another one. Just to give me some idea. I don't want to have to cut it off. That's, you know what, it's okay. I'm just going for it. That's it. Sometimes just going for it, just going for it. Okay, so I'm going to start Pisces. See? This, wanting it to grab, just giving it a minute. Okay. No, it's not dark enough. Where's my other one? Ah, fine. And I had another, yeah, right here. Let's see. Which ink pad is, am I going to try to go over it? As it didn't come up there. Let's see. Can I do it? Sorry if my head's in the way. But it turns out it's okay. Not, not as dark as I want it to come out. And you could see that I missed it. Try this again. Yes, better. Yeah, I'm gonna not use this and see what happens. Okay, next, Sagittarius. It works. Let's see. Let's see now. These work. It's okay about the Pisces. It's a little blurry, but that's all right. See. Okay. Sagittarius. Now, this is Libra. Ooh, very good. Good. Okay. And now Virgo. The image comes out a lot better on that because that's tyvek. Okay. So that's it. That's the four. That's the four that I'm using. Just want to try to put these back so I don't lose them. Yeah, that's stamp set I got at years ago at Dollar General. Where did Libra go? Where did Libra go? They were all here. It's like, I don't know. Is there such a thing as a craft Holger Gus? Things disappear right before your eyes. All right, I guess I'll have to look for it after. I don't think it's on the floor. That's weird. Really? Yeah. Okay. So I don't know where it went. I'm always losing something. There it is. Look at that. I was stuck on Pisces. See? All right. Let's put the all in here. There. So then I can't get lost. See, I got them at Dollar General. That's a sticker. I paid $2 for it. I don't know how much it would be now if they still have it. But like I said, that was years ago. Okay, so I want to do some script stamping. That's here and there. I'm going to use the Stays On in Timber Brown. And I also want to do some numbers. Okay, where is it? I have, just want to make sure it's the right way up, yeah. I did that. That stamp set I got at AliExpress. Okay, this way up. I think that's about it. I think. Right. I think that's enough. Should clean these off. Maybe wait, just wiping them off. Here. So, where did it go? All right. Okay. I'm not going to fret over it now. I'll look for it later. Um, let's see. I want to glue this on. Now, because this is fabric, hopefully it shouldn't be, it shouldn't be too difficult to adhere to his. I know some people have used glue stick. I wonder if I should try that. When it comes to fabric too, well, this is not paper. This is what do you call it? Fabric. It's tyvek. God. Okay. And I think what I'll do is just around the edges, put some wet glue. Okay. Gosh. I got glue on me, of course. Let's see if I can get it down even. Okay, I think that's okay. It's okay if it's around the edges, if it out a bit. I think it's okay. Seems to be down. Okay, so that's it. So because of the tyvek envelope that I put underneath, it's not picking up from the background, the gears from the embossing folder. What do I want? Okay, that's it. Number 5 is down. Okay. All right. That's done. Now about the edges. To do some, and yeah, all the edges doesn't always have to be done. I think I like this the way it is. I, as far as like inking, I can't. Anyhow, because it's not going to stay that good. I think it's just fine like this. Just needs to dry. So that's it for today, guys. I think, yeah, I've got a lot to clean up here. Yeah, I'm happy with how this turned out. So that's another full page done. That's the back of the steampunk page. Okay. That's the astrological clock. And I put four zodiac signs. Pisces, which is water. Sagittarius, which represents fire, the elements. Libra, that represents air. And Virgo, that represents earth. So that's the 4 elements of the zodiac. Anyhow, so let me know what you think. That's it, guys. That's another page done in the paperless journal. And I'll see you guys another time. Ciao.